Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the login password on your Mac. This works on all Apple Silicon models, including M1, M2, M3, and M4. Let's dive right in. Start by opening System Settings. You can either click the System Settings icon in your dock or click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings from the menu. Once you're in System Settings, scroll down the left side menu and select Users and Groups. On the right, find your user account. Next to it, you'll see a small eye icon. Click on it to open your account details. In the Password section, click on Change. You'll be asked to enter your current password in the old password field. After that, leave the new password and verify fields completely empty. Once you've done that, click Change Password. A pop-up will appear warning you that no new password was entered. Simply click Continue to confirm. That's it. Your Mac will now log in automatically without asking for a password. However, keep in mind a couple of important things. If you have Touch ID set up, it will stop working once you remove your password. Also, if File Vault is turned on, you won't be able to remove the password unless you disable File Vault first. To do that, go back to System Settings and choose Privacy and Security. Scroll down on the right side and click File Vault. If it's turned on, click Turn Off to disable it. In my case, File Vault is already turned off, and that's all you need to do. Your Mac is now set up to log in without a password. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.